In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom font in an Excel workbook. To get started, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, your Start menu, or wherever you normally access your apps. Once Excel is open, you're ready to work with fonts in your workbook. Now, before we jump into the formatting steps, there's one important thing to understand. Excel does not actually embed custom fonts directly into a workbook. What that means is the font itself is not stored inside the Excel file. Instead, Excel can use custom fonts that are already installed on your computer. So if you've installed a font and it appears in your system, you should be able to use it in Excel as well. This is helpful to know, especially if you plan to share the workbook with someone else, because they may need that same font installed on their device in order to see the file exactly as you designed it. The first method is applying a custom font to specific cells in your workbook. Start by opening the workbook you want to edit. Then select the cells you want to format. You can click a single cell, drag across multiple cells, or select an entire row or column depending on what you need. After that, go to the Home tab in Excel. In the Font section, open the Font drop-down list. Scroll through the list until you find your custom font, then click to select it. Excel will immediately apply that font to the cells you selected. This is the best option if you only want certain parts of the workbook, like titles, headers, or highlighted data, to use a custom look. The second method is useful if you want Excel to use a custom font by default in new workbooks. To do that, go to File, then choose Options. In the Excel Options window, stay under the General section. Look for the area labeled When Creating New Workbooks. Here, you'll see a setting for the default font. Choose your preferred custom font from the list, then click OK. After that, restart Excel so the change can take effect. Once Excel reopens, any new workbook you create will use that selected font automatically, and that's it. Whether you want to format just a few cells or set a font as your default for all new files, these two methods make it easy to use a custom font in Excel.